Hey, new day. I'm telling you, doing these videos every single day. Last video, you saw that I put up these swings. What you doing, B? What you doing? I love that you love that. Max trying to get his camera time. Hey Braylee, you gonna go swimming?
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana fresh cause.
A good start to any day. Well, I guess it's not really the start of the day, but a good continuation of the day. Good old backyard swimming. The regulation of summer, I would call it. Water is so regulating for Braylee. We saw her having a hard time coming into the pool, but spending some time out here in the pool, she's definitely got ready. Just kind of like how the swings worked in the last video yesterday, how I was explaining how the swings helped her regulate the movement. And then, you know, water is a really calming, it's like a really calming feature for Braylee. She could just spend so much time out here. Summer, I'm telling ya, it's great. Go have fun hanging out with Caitlin and kitties. Caitlin and kitties. Alrighty, Braylee is dropped off with Caitlin. She's gonna hang out with her for a few hours. Well, David gets to work. I have a task at hand. Ooh, task that needs to be done today. I can at least get started before the circles group. Tonight I do have the circles group for the autism parents and caregivers and anybody else who wants to join. If you haven't, I know I've talked about it a few times. If you don't know about it, it's just on the Circles Support app, Voices tab. I guide a room to talk about life, you know? Talk about it. Support each other. Learn from each other. Celebrate victories. Be there for the hard stuff. You're making food? Cool. While you make food, I'm gonna get started. At least I have a little bit of time. At least I can get the washer and dryer pulled out. Alright, before I get started on this, I want to show you what this sounds like. I'm gonna throw something in the dryer real quick. Carlos, why are you barking? And turn the dryer on. Okay, and then we're gonna go upstairs and listen. I want you to hear what I hear. Up the stairs. I want you to hear what I hear. So the vent is right here under the deck, and usually you just get a good smell of laundry out here, but you don't really get it anymore. I think the vent might be clogged up a little bit, because listen. Can you hear that? It's like boom, 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 boom. And on top of that, clothes have not been drying well. They've been taking longer than usual. Like the last load I did took three and a half hours, I think. And normally it takes like 50 minutes it's supposed to take. 3.5 hours is too long. Hey, watch out. Stairs are slippery. Make sure you use that handrail.
I saw that. That's pretty funny.
So, goal. Get this out of here. So my goal here. It smells bad. It doesn't even smell good. Like it smells like something should be on fire. This is how houses burn down, by the way. Plugs dryer vents. So I got to pull these out, get the tube out, and I got a kit. Got a kit. Let's see if I can do this, huh? Go, spider. Oh. Get out of here. Go. Get out of here. Cha, cha. I can find a flathead screwdriver. I'm glad I'm doing this now. I tested it just so I could hear the noise outside again. And it smells like burning. It smells like there's a fire.
It's not gonna do that.
I know. Hi, friendly spider. Please be friendly. Please be friendly. So, I don't think that's supposed to happen. Never seen that before. There's got to be a plug somewhere then, right? That's so bad. That's all lint and water. Where's all that water coming from? That's gross. Well, got some cleaning to do, but first I gotta go do the circles group. That'll be a good break, right? Alright. So I'm gonna put the brush in, and we're gonna clean out some dryer vent. I'm gonna take a photo for Stacy. We're gonna do this together today. Has anybody else done a dryer vent clean out, and have you experienced a flood out of it? What? So gross. Wow. I have never. Hey Stacy.
What? I heard a pretty rough sound from you, so I'm nervous.
You wanna see what came out when I took the tube off the back of the dryer?
Is it a critter?
Might as well be.
What is that? It is wet? Why is it black? Ew. What is it? Is it wet,
It looks like
burnt lint?
Wet burnt lint, probably. That's probably what it smelled when I turned it on. After my meeting, I'm gonna still do the whole thing.
I would hope so.
And yeah,
'Cause I bet there's more where that came
I
from.
closed off the laundry room for now. It smells and
No
it looks
cats
gross.
allowed.
Nobody's allowed.
Ooh, I'm gonna go in there just to be a rebel.
All right, I'm going to do my circles thing.
Yeah, you heard Pam?
What?
Telling you I can't do something makes me want to do it.
Circles group complete. More great conversations. Now, it's cleanup time. Okay, cleaned it up. I didn't want to have to show you more of that grossness, so now I'm gonna get the brush out and the drill out and see what we can get out of there. I feel like I'm saving some money by doing it myself. Here we go. It's time. I don't know how this is gonna go. This is fun though. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Go, 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 go. Well, I did the work and really not a lot came out. Not a lot. I don't know where the problem was because, whoa. I don't know what the problem was because it just doesn't seem like a lot of lint came out of the vent. But I have to stop for now. I'm gonna test out the dryer and see if there's air coming out up top. I'll probably have to do that tomorrow because I need to get started on work here shortly. So Braylee's still with Caitlin. She's actually building a shoe rack with her. Braylee's all into that building, I'm telling you. And there's still, there we go. But I'm gonna leave it here for now and we'll see you in the next video. Wish me luck with this. I hope we can get a working dryer again. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to make a clothesline outside. Oh boy. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. See you tomorrow.